How to redeem 20-digit code on Xbox. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem 20-digit code on Xbox. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. In this particular tutorial, we will learn about how to redeem code on Xbox Live website. So firstly, go to Xbox Live Code site. If you are already logged into your Xbox Live account, doing so you will bring to a code entry field. If you are not logged into Xbox Live, type in your email address, phone number, or Skype name. Next, click on the Next button and enter your password and click on Sign In. Now, type the code into the text field. This field is in blue bar in the middle of the page. Make sure you don't leave any characters or make any mistakes while typing your code, or it will not work. Finally, tap on the Next button. This button is below and right of the text field. If your code is valid, it will be applied to your Xbox Live account for further use. So, this is how you can redeem 20-digit code on Xbox. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.